Have you ever found yourself stuck in a meeting, scrambling to pull up notes, switch between apps, and keep up with the conversation, all while your laptop's battery dies faster than you can say AI assistant? What if I told you there's a laptop that not only keeps up with your pace, but actually your needs before you even realize them? Meet the Microsoft Surface Laptop 6, the ultra-portable powerhouse designed for professionals who refuse to compromise on performance, battery life, or innovation. Let's face it, most business laptops today are caught in a frustrating paradox. They either promise all-day battery life but throttle under real workloads, or they deliver raw power at the cost of portability and endurance. The Surface Laptop 6 smashes that trade-off with a bold combination of Intel's cutting-edge Ultra 7 165H processor, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and a massive 1 terabyte SSD, all packed into a sleek 13.5-inch chassis that weighs less than a bag of sugar. And with up to 18.5 hours of battery life, this isn't just a laptop, it's a productivity revolution. So what makes this machine stand out in a crowded market? For starters, it's built for the modern professional who lives in Microsoft's ecosystem. Whether you're drafting reports in Word, crunching data in Excel, or presenting in PowerPoint, the Surface Laptop 6 handles it all with ease. But the real game changer is the dedicated Copilot key and onboard neural processing unit, NPU. These aren't just buzzwords. They're tools that bring AI assistance directly to your fingertips. Need to summarize a long email thread? Hit Copilot. Want to draft a response based on your calendar? Copilot's got you. It's like having a second brain that never sleeps. Now, let's talk about design and build. Microsoft has always excelled at blending form and function, and the Surface Laptop 6 is no exception. The aluminum chassis feels premium, with a soft-touch finish that resists fingerprints and scratches. The 13.5-inch 2K Plus touchscreen is vibrant and responsive, supporting both pen and touch inputs, ideal for annotating documents or sketching ideas on the fly. The keyboard is a standout, with a satisfying key travel and backlighting that adjusts automatically based on ambient light. And at just 2.8 pounds, it slips effortlessly into a briefcase or backpack without adding bulk. Under the hood, the Intel Ultra 7 165H is a beast. With 16 cores and a base clock speed of 2.2 GHz, boosting up to 4.8 GHz. This chip outperforms many older i7 processors while sipping power like an Ultrabook. The 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, whether you're juggling 20 Chrome tabs, running a virtual machine, or editing photos in Lightroom. And the 1 terabyte SSD isn't just spacious, it's lightning fast, with read/write speeds that make file transfers and app launches nearly instantaneous. But specs alone don't tell the full story. Let's put this machine through its paces with real-world scenarios. Imagine you're a consultant hopping between client meetings. You start the day with a video call using the 1080p IR webcam and Windows Hello facial recognition for secure login. As the conversation flows, you quickly pull up a client's project files, seamlessly switching between Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams, all while the laptop stays cool and quiet thanks to efficient thermal management. Later, you draft a proposal using Copilot to refine your language and generate data visualizations from raw numbers. By evening, you're editing a video in Clipchamp, and the Surface Laptop 6 handles it all without breaking a sweat. Of course, no device is perfect. The 13.5-inch screen, while gorgeous, might feel cramped for users who prefer larger displays for complex tasks. The port selection is also minimal. Just 2 USB-C/Thunderbolt 4 ports, a Surface Connect port, and a headphone jack. So you'll likely need a dongle for legacy devices or multiple monitors. And while the battery life is impressive, heavy workloads like 4K video editing or sustained gaming will drain it faster than the advertised 18.5 hours. Still, for the average business user, these are minor trade-offs for a machine this capable. How does it stack up against the competition? Compared to the MacBook Air M2, the Surface Laptop 6 offers better Windows integration, a superior touchscreen, and more raw CPU power for productivity tasks. against Dell's XPS 13 or HP's Spectre X360. It wins on battery life and AI features, though those alternatives may offer more ports or slightly better graphics performance for creative professionals. For professionals deeply embedded in Microsoft's ecosystem, especially those using Copilot, OneDrive, or Office 365, the Surface Laptop 6 is the clear choice. So who should buy this laptop? If you're a business professional, consultant, or creative who values portability, battery life, and AI-enhanced productivity, this is the machine for you. It's not a gaming rig or a workstation, but for everything else, from spreadsheets to video calls to AI-assisted workflows, the Surface Laptop 6 delivers where it matters most. If you're ready to upgrade your productivity game, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 6 isn't just a good choice, it's the smart one. Head to Microsoft's website or your nearest retailer to check availability and pricing. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech deep dives. Your future self and your laptop battery will thank you.